Welcome back. Today's video is going to be my go-to fresh-faced, dewy, glowy makeup look. I love to do this makeup look. I don't always wear lashes, of course. Most of the time I just wear mascara. I thought I would wear lashes today though, just for the purpose of this video in case any of you guys want to. I do focus mainly on the glow, the highlight in this makeup look. It's really just like very bright and fresh faced. I didn't really do much of anything for eyeshadow or contour. I just really mainly focus on a fresh, glowy face. I really love how it turned out today, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already cleansed and moisturized my skin, and I'm going to start out by priming it. This may sound extremely weird, but I'm going to use the Nivea Men's Sensitive Post-Shave Balm. If you weren't watching YouTube when this became really popular as a primer, or you haven't heard of it, then you probably think, why would you use an aftershave as primer? Nikki Tutorials discovered this. Her boyfriend had it and she ran out of moisturizer, so she's like, oh, I'll just use this. I guess she discovered that it makes your makeup last really well, and it has a lot of the same ingredients as good primers. A lot of people started using this and it just kind of became a big thing. I wasn't using it for a while, but I just kind of recently got back into it and rediscovered why I liked it so much underneath my makeup. This is just really good at making your makeup stick to your face and just last, because it does have glycerin in it. That is one of the ingredients that they put in a lot of primers, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Now I'm going to mist my face with the badescu facial spray just to add some hydration back into my face. And then I'm going to use the Covergirl Healthy Elixir Foundation and the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I'm going to mix those together and apply them to my face with my beauty sponge. Blend it down my neck as well. Now I'm going to take my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and first I'm going to use that to conceal any spots that I have on my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend them in with my finger, trying to focus on blending around the spot. And then I applied this to the center of my face to add some highlight and blended it out with my sponge. Also concealed under my eyes and my lids to prime. And then I went in with the RCMA No Color Powder and I just set that down everywhere that I applied the concealer. I'm not setting my entire face, just where I applied the concealer and then my smile lines as well. I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to bronze up my face, and I'm applying this to the hollows of my cheeks, a little bit on my jawline. And I'm taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Ticket to Brazil, and I'm applying that to my forehead, hollows of my cheeks, and a little bit on my nose. I just really wanted to add a glow. And then I'm also applying some bronzer into the crease of my eye to add some definition, just kind of like lightly contour my eye. And then applying the True Match Super Blendable Blush in the shade Precious Peach onto my cheeks to add a peachy glow. And then I'm taking the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter, and as usual, kind of just applying this all over my face wherever I want to glow. I'm going to use my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil just to kind of outline my brows. I'm not going to completely fill them in. I want a little bit more of a natural brow, so I'm just outlining them. And then I'm actually going to take the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper Brow Gel Mascara in medium to dark. I'm just filling my brows in to add some color and make them look a little bit fuller. And then I'm taking that highlight and applying it to my lids. And then for a more intense highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals. This is a really beautiful highlight. I love the way it turned out with this look. I haven't worn it enough lately, so I'm just applying that a little bit more targeted to the high points of my face. And then also applying it to the inner corners of my eye and on the center of my lid. And then I'm going to go in with my sponge and just kind of go over those highlighted areas to tone them down a little bit so it's not too crazy. And I'm just curling my eyelashes, and I'm going to apply some mascara to prep for eyelashes. I also applied some mascara to my lower lashes, and then I went in with the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in the shade Honeydew to line my waterline. This just really brightens up the eyes. And then I took the Bite Beauty Buttercream lipstick in the shade Cream and applied this to my lips. This is a really beautiful nude shade. I am topping that off with the Kathleenlights x Colourpop lip gloss in the shade Moonchild. I love this lip gloss, it's a really pretty nude. And to finish off this look and set everything in place, I'm going to take the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, shake up the bottle, and apply this to my face. This gives a really pretty subtle glow as long as you shake up the bottle. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. I really love this makeup look. As I said before, it's one of my favorites to do. I love how glowy it is. I do pretty much always go in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter just kind of as a base to apply more all over my face because of how light and natural it is. And then I will go in with another highlighter and have it be a little bit more targeted. The highlighter that I did use today is the Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting Powder. I don't know if I forgot about this or didn't remember how pretty it was, but like this highlight is stunning. I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna have to use this a lot more because I absolutely love it. You know, I just did a nude glossy lip. I think that looks best with this kind of look. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell if you want to be notified every time that I upload a video. Please follow me over on Twitter and Instagram, and thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.